Just kind of gives you an idea of what I want.
Yes, yes.
Obviously, not these colors and not those pictures.
Yeah, we are going to change it.
So pretty much, we need to explain how it works. I don't know why it keeps doing that. Hold on 1 second. So obviously, you want to explore with the features. So we need to talk about security, pricing, of course. Also have affiliates, partners, kind of like the other platform. There's white label as well. Um, also, we talked about white label and policy. Um, we need to turn this, obviously,
Yes, yes.
into this. So first thing is first, we'll talk about the dashboard. Um, Obviously, the dashboard has a lot more features. Being able to dig in deep, details, demographics,
Okay.
um, knowing what they're looking at more. Obviously, this is their current billing cycle, so this will be kind of their threshold meter as they get close to storage. Um, their notifications, obviously. I don't know why this is acting up. Sorry. But also lets them know the usage of when they have legal docs, financials, video messages, personal, digital stuff, etc. This kind of goes back to the digital file cabinet. So this kind of goes back over to here. Digital file cabinet is this feature with all the utilities, different things, right? If you notice here, um, you have obviously fields. Obviously you can upload an image or video. Pickup time, etc. In these fields. Each one of the utilities, excuse me, digital file cabinets or any of the buttons in general has some sorts of fields. Um, but what I did here, for example, if you click on legal documents, it's only asking you to upload a particular document, right? Um, Excuse me. It's a little bit different. So we still need to somehow create when you're looking for uh, the file cabinet. It's not just all about uploading docs. You also have to load in some type of information. Um, Here's the legacy vault. So what we did here is kind of, you say, for example, if a person passes, and they want to be able to download the entire situation, meaning the legacy contact, then they would have to pay a $199 fee. And then this over here, the legacy vault, would give them the ability to download the entire everything that they uploaded in the platform in their account. They would have the ability to download that whole everything would download as a zip file.
Zip file, right?
Okay. Um, Different folders, being able to access different folders. We talked about the new calendar, the reminder of creating that.
Yes, yes, we want to redesign the calendar.
Yeah, right. Um, Final wishes. So, for example, you have final wishes here. So, final wishes is, it's like a questionnaire. Um, and then you have funeral planning, which is a field that you add things in. Then you have will and trust, which is like, for example, you can upload an image or a video, put in information, upload your document, attorney information, etc. If you notice here, um, you have the will and trust. We need to be able to do the same thing, fill out that information, CRM information, but also be able to upload a particular document as well, right?
Yes,
Um, Planning, same thing. Kind of we want to kind of mirror everything, but obviously with this, with a new look. And I'm not saying this is the look, but
yes,
all
we
the
want to
features,
upgrade it. Or this is
of
just the
course.
reference that I want to.
Yeah, 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 yeah. It just I don't even know if this would be the layout, but it gives you everything and what it should look better than what we have. You have the digital diary here, so obviously you can, you know, write, you can voice record, video record, upload media, and for example, we have it here, the digital diary, where you can do it, but obviously look at the look. It sucks, right?
Yes,
It's not doesn't look good. Um, where are we at? Uh, Family and friends, kind of what we had there, here on the family and friends. Very generic. We want to do friends, but in a friend, once again, very generic. Here we have it where it looks better. Put in a little bit more information. The Obviously the field looks a lot better. If you would like to put a picture, add a picture to it, that'd be cool too.
yeah,
Legacy contact, obviously, you look here, a legacy contact is up here. It's very generic. Upload an image or video of that individual, full name, upload the ID, security questions. Doesn't look good, right?
yes,
Looks generic. Here, it looks more like of a fail. So I want to add a person. I'm choosing if they're a legacy contact, emergency contact, etc. Um, And obviously they will save in here. And then you have contact verification. So once you add that legacy contact, I don't understand why that was there like that. So maybe that's a contact hub. I think that legacy contact shouldn't be there. Or Guardian. Guardian should be its own button because for the Guardian contact, when you create a Guardian contact, I guess, no, that's fine actually. Well, you could create a Guardian contact, for example, um, here, you can actually assign folders to that Guardian contact. So if you wanted to minimize folders, the Guardian contact has access to folders that you want them to see.
Okay.
So this will be where the legacy contacts and the Guardian contacts actually get verified. So it will verify here. Password manager, for example, this is a feature that's in the digital file cabinet. Enter in the title of the, whatever platform, whatever it is, the password. Could be your YouTube, your Facebook, or whatever the case is, right? Um, and here looks a little bit more prettier, right? If it has 2FA enabled, mark as if it's important.
Oh, yes.
That's a file. It's more compelling, right? Auto pay and subscription, same situation here. Auto pay and subscriptions looks like this. And then when you look at it here, it looks like this. And also, obviously calculates everything up, etc. Um, this is where we talked about the $199 legacy continuation fee. Um, so this is where they would pay for a one-time fee. So once they pass that, their mother or whoever they can create it as a legacy contact can come and they are able to download. They cannot download anything until this fee is paid, and they have to be on the platform for a certain amount of time. Okay.
Okay.
Usage and billing. Go ahead. You had a question?
Yes, actually, what you mean by they have to on the platform for the certain amount of time?
Meaning, let's say that they cannot. The legacy continuation fee is obviously a one-time fee for final pass down vote.
Yes,
It
right.
remains fully active for your legacy contacts after the person passed. Remember, this is made for a person to upload all of their information and that they have it so when they pass, their loved one, whoever they made their legacy contact, can have access to all these documents, their properties, so on and so on, right?
Uh,
So So we don't want them downloading. Um, we don't want them downloading anything right now, right? So we don't want them to be able to sign up for the platform for 30 days, put everything up and download it. You know, no, we want it when it's time. The user can pay for it now if they choose to, but they still won't be able to download anything until we get like a death certificate or something that shows us that that individual is not no longer here. You know what I mean?
Yes,
And then
yes.
we will unlock it so the legacy content can download it. Here's usage and billing. So we want to have uh, usage and billing, obviously, where they can update their stuff, etc. Also, they have the affiliate program, so they also have the affiliate like kind of like VitalChrono, where they can share the link. They get it for 12 months, a 12-month commission cap, just like VitalChrono. And also, VitalClone is integrated in here as well. So it's like kind of like what we want to do is maybe iframe VitalClone in here and let the user stack accounts. So they'll have a regular Final Passdown account, but also if they want to have Vital Clone, then they're able to, we can iframe it in here, but strictly for uh, their users to be able to access it as well, to be able to set up an account.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So we need to mirror, everything needs to mirror and match this, right?
Yeah.
We need to mirror and match it. Um, and that's the key, so we need to make sure that all the features match up, um, that everything is, just totally matches up with everything, right? Let me go into the admin side. This also will be a progressive web application, and also, we also have the mobile apps that we want to obviously make look the same. The apps are already in the app store, as you know.
Yes, yes.
It's on the admin, complete analytics on the back end.
Actually, the screen stops on the login page.
Did it? Give me 1 second. Can you see now? Okay, you can see now, right?
Not till now.
Shabam,
Yes, yes.
you can't see it?
Still,
Okay, you can see it.
yes. Now I can see. It's
Yeah?
visible. Yes.
Okay, okay. So obviously we have the command center, which gives us complete analytics, etc. Give us the ID verification queue.
Okay.
user management, so we can dive into the accounts, revenue, storage, ID verifications, payouts, legacy piece. We could change it on the back end. It needs to reflect on the front end. Our audit log, affiliate admin, so we can see our affiliates, partnership admins, because we have partnerships as well. ID verification system, payouts, subscription log. We can also change the pricing if we choose to reflect on the front end from all the packages. Storage notification thresholds as well.
Yeah.
Enterprise API.
What going to happen in enterprise API?
Um, I have a document that explains everything. Give me 1 second.
Okay.
So basically, I wrote when you build the enterprise API specifically for Final Patch Down, you are moving beyond simple file storage into a realm of automated legacy infrastructure. So while your current D2C model helps individuals organize their lives, the enterprise API allows the large institution to embed your legacy logic directly into their own products. The institutional legacy integration, it could be for larger, like if we wanted to integrate it to a bank or integrate it to an insurance company, like to a different partner. It's, different than what a white label would be. Um, it would be being able to integrate it into their complete platform. You understand me?
Yes, it's just like the what we are going to do in white label, but it's different that than for
Right. So for example, I'll show you. So let's just not talk about that right now. So kind of go back over to the email templates as well,
yeah,
just like what we have in Final Pass Down. I mean, excuse me, Final Clone. But then here's the white label, right?
yeah,
So in all honesty, um, the white label solution. Remember we were talking about the white label solution shouldn't be able to be on the web on the platform where a person can see all that. They would have to pay first to be able to see all the information
yeah,
of
yeah.
what they would get from a white label, right? So we have that on a Vital Clone, and I was telling you we need to switch that. It shouldn't be on the front end of what a person can see everything without paying, right? So here we did that here to kind of show you the same thing, but a little bit different. So you have the brand identity, being able to, uh, create your brand, your color. Obviously, the feature toggles, right, of what they'll be offering. Oops, I don't know what happened. Brand names. What did I just do? Domain configuration. Obviously, live preview, right? Right. So Okay. Pretty much that's everything on the back end of the admin portal. Then you have where is it? There we go. Where's the partnership login at? Sorry, my mouse is kind of screwed up. Huh. I got to figure out where it's at. I can't remember where I put it. But the
Okay, okay.
partnership ad, to be able to sign up as a partnership, it's there. I just got to pull it up somewhere. But anyway, that kind of gives you the whole gist of everything, right?
Yes, yes. I understand about that project overall.
So what I'll do is I can add it to GitHub, and then that way you can kind of go through it and look at it and kind of match the two. Um, I have the files, all the files for Final Pass Down, the mobile files and also the web application files. Um, but I also do have them on GitHub as well.
Okay,
Actually, I don't. Actually, I don't. They need to be uploaded on GitHub.
okay, okay. It's
So yeah, just let me know what we need to do.
if you
Uh,
share all things with me, we can start from today for this project.
okay. So my question to you is, when can we start, and when will you give me the cost?
I understand about the whole project right now, so I can give you cost right now if you want, and start this project from today.
All right. What's the cost?
Let's match the same price what we did for vital loan.
So 1,300.
Yes.
Okay. So we'll have a full working model like we have now. It will be working for the mobile apps and also for the web application, correct?
Yes, yes, correct.
Okay. That works out.
Okay, okay. So we can start from today.
All right. So what do you need from me?
First of all, share the access of GitHub. Then also add me in your Figma so I can check all the stuff right there. Also, you talk about enterprise API document. Uh,
Mhm.
you can share that as well if you want. So it will,
Okay.
yeah, all
Okay.
of that.
So Well, why don't I just load it onto to GitHub and add you on GitHub, and you'll be able to access it there.
Yes, yes.
Okay. All right, cool. All right, so yeah, I agree. We can do the same thing. We can do it in actually phases as well, just like we did
Yeah, we
by the
we make
and
same
yeah,
5 pages for it.
perfect, perfect. All right, cool. Obviously, I want you to do the same thing that we did before. So right now it's obviously on AWS,
Yeah, we
the
want
physical.
to shift that to Supabase, right?
Mhm. Okay, that's perfect. We can do that.
Yeah.
And yeah, we can do that. So what do we need to, what's next steps?
Let's start this today. Just share me access, and I will create the milestone, and you can start this project as well, both together for vital clone and final pass
Okay.
down.
All right. Sounds good. So let's do that. All right. That sounds good. So what I'll do is I'll load this up to Figma. Um, and then I'll print out the documentation once I get there too. So we have it, and then we can go from there.
Yes, yes.
You want me to send you the final pass down files so you can upload them to the
GitHub.
GitHub?
Yes, yes. That's also fine.
Okay, perfect. I will do that, and then yeah, we can go from there. So let me go ahead and start transferring everything over. But remember, I don't want the exact look that we showed you.
Yes,
Um,
this is just
we need
the
to make
pref.
right. We need to make it match, but that's what I need. All the modules and different things, that's what I need. I need to make sure also that the user accounts time out. If they're not using it within 5 minutes, that it'll automatically just time out as well.
Okay.
All
And
right, cool.
what the color theme you want for final pass down?
We needed to match the logo. So I don't. I'm gonna send you the logo. Well, you see the logo already. Um, we need to match it where it has, obviously a good look. I don't want so much white like we have right now. You know what I mean?
Yes, yes.
So we need to make it where it makes sense. I'm gonna let you be creative with the colors. You're good with that, so I'm gonna let you do that.
Okay.
Well, anything else?
No, everything is understand, and we can
Okay,
start this.
okay, perfect.
Yeah.
All right, we're all in agreement. Um, all right. So what do we need to do? Just load everything up, and you'll go from there.
Yes, yes.
All
That's
right, and you'll send me over. You'll obviously send me over the phases of
yeah.
all the phases it needs to be. Okay,
I will just talk
per-
with my team and create that pages and send it the custom offer.
perfect. Sounds good.
Yeah.
I think I've already made the tables too, because I think I loaded it to our Superbase as well from GitHub. So it should be in there. I'll let you know. Well, you'll be able to see it too.
Okay, okay.
Cool. All right, perfect. All right, I'm excited to see what you come up with,
Yeah. I'm also excited for both the projects to go live.
and then I have the third one too. So, but that won't probably be ready till next week.
Yes, yes. Absolutely.
Okay. All right, buddy. I appreciate you. You have a good day.
Yes, same to you.
You're welcome. Bye
Yeah.
bye.